Hello everyone, welcome back. As part of the introduction, we are going to learn a little bit about the Jupyter notebook. Alright, let me show you again how to open the Jupyter notebook, open an IPython notebook file and get started with the Python coding. We need to locate and open the folder Master Machine Learning and Data Science with Python, where all the notebook files and resources are provided. Click on and highlight the File Explorer address bar. Now type CMD and press enter. This will take you to the command prompt where you'll be sitting in the current machine learning folder. Now type conda, activate, and you need to provide the virtual environment name you have given when creating the virtual environment. In my case, the name is ML and I'm gonna press enter. This activates the virtual environment. The next step is to type Jupyter notebook and enter. Wait for a little bit until it opens the Jupyter notebook in your default browser. My default browser is Chrome, so it will open in Chrome. One important thing you should remember that you're gonna have to leave that command prompt alone. This is called a notebook server, and if we were to close this server, we wouldn't be able to access the notebook within our local host. If you want to use the command prompt for any other reasons, you can open another one. Great, we have successfully opened the resource folder in the Jupyter notebook. This is the root folder. In our case, Master Machine Learning and Data Science with Python folder. We are currently inside the folder. We can see all the files and folders located within the resource folder here. When you want to access a folder, you need to look for the folder with the same topic name and click on it. Since we are gonna learn the Python starter kit next, let's go ahead and click on the Python starter kit folder. Here, we have got more folders within the Python subtopics. Let's click on the variable types folder, which is the first Python topic we are gonna learn. Here we have got the notebook file I have used to explain the lecture. If it's an exercise, you'll be seeing both the exercise and solution notebooks. The best way to learn is to create a new Python notebook for every coding lecture. While watching, instead of just watching, I want you to try the same in your notebook. This will enhance your knowledge, and more you practice, more experience you will gain. To create a new Python notebook, click on the New, which is a drop-down menu. You can see Python 3 here. Based on your version, you can see slightly different wordings here. Click on this, which opens a new notebook in a new tab. We are currently in the new notebook. On the left top, you can see the name of the notebook, which says Untitled. Let's change the name by clicking the title. Since this is gonna be the practice notebook, I'm gonna name it variable type practice to differentiate from the other notebooks. Alright, the notebook is ready and we can start coding now. Let me close the notebook and head to the variable types folder. Here you can see both the file I have provided and the one you have just created. To access these files, you can simply click on them. Let me click on the variable types notebook, which actually opens in a new tab. Alright, now you know how to open and access the files. Next, I'll show you around the Jupyter notebook a little bit before we begin the actual coding. I'm Jeffrey Sadin and see you soon.